Hi everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel. In this video we are going to be making some peanut butter cookies. And what we will need is 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, and 1 egg. And we will need to put all of the ingredients in a bowl. And then with the egg, I recommend tapping on the side like that. So then there is a crack like that. And then splitting it open like that. And then we are going to beat all of that together until it's smooth. And once that's all mixed together, it should look something like that. And then we will need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we will need some cookie sheets, a cookie scooper, and a fork. We will need to scoop the dough into balls with a cookie scooper and place it on here. Then we are going to take the fork and flatten it, going like this. Making kind of a little bit of a crisscross pattern like that. And then we are going to do that again. And then it should look like that. Then you want to leave a little bit of space between each cookie and between the cookie. And we are going to bake them about 10 minutes. And once the cookies are done baking, it should look something like this.